Good evening to everyone. I am B. Jagadish from grade 2 at Wisdom Nazarene Primary School. Today I am going to tell about stake in India. India is a union of 28 states: Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad, Arunachal Pradesh, Chandigarh, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Goa, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bangalore, Kerala, Trivandrum, Madhya Pradesh, Gopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Impal, Meghalaya, Shella, Mizoram, Mysore, Nagaland, Kohima, Orissa, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Ganko, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tirupura, Magatla, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, West Bengal, Kolkata. Thank you.